Hello, how to solve for a and b in this equation? A plus b is equal to 8, ab is equal to 50. Solution. A plus b is equal to 8. Let us call this equation 1. ab is equal to 50. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1 here, a plus b is equal to 8. Let us make b the subject of the formula. B is equal to 8 minus a. Let us call this equation 3. Then from equation 2, AB is equal to 50. Let us substitute for B. A bracket 8 minus A, close the bracket, is equal to 50. Let us open the bracket. 8A minus A square is equal to 50. Now let us put this in standard form. Minus A square plus 8A minus 50 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Then this divided by minus 1, this divided by minus 1, and this divided by minus 1. We have a square minus 8a plus 50 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. A is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, c is equal to 50. Then a is equal to minus bracket minus 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 50 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 squared, that is 64, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 50, 200 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. A is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus 200, that is minus 136 over 2. And this is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 136 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. And this a is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 4 multiplied by 34 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. A is equal to 8 plus or minus 2i square root of 34 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 4, 2 here 1. A1 is equal to 4 plus I square root of 34. And A2 is equal to 4 minus I square root of 34. These are the values of A. We've gotten the value of A1 and A2. Let us solve for B1 and B2. To solve for B1 and B2, from equation 3, B is equal to H minus A. B1 is equal to H minus A1 is 4 plus I square root of 34. B1 is equal to H minus 4 minus I square root of 34. B1 is equal to 4 minus I square root of 34. Then B2 is equal to H minus A2. B2 is equal to H minus A2 is 4 minus I square root of 34. B2 is equal to H minus 4 minus I square root of 34. B2 is equal to 4 minus I square root of 34. Therefore, our final answer are A1, B1 is equal to 4 plus I square root of 34, 4 minus I square root of 34. A2, B2, this is equal to 4 minus I square root of 34, 4 plus I square root of 34. You can see that from here, the value of A1 here, which is this, is equal to the value of B2 here, which is this. And the value of B1 here, which is this, is equal to the value of A2 here, which is this. Then we may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. In order to check, we have the given equation. A plus B is equal to 8. AB is equal to 50. Now let's consider this. We have A plus B. This is 4 plus I root 34 plus 4 minus I root 34 must be equal to 8. This is just one step. This cancel this. 4 plus 4, this is 8, is equal to 8, which is true. Now let's consider this now. We have 4 plus I root 34 multiplied by 4 minus I root 34 must be equal to 50. Then if you express this very well, we have 16 minus I square multiplied by 34 must be equal to 50. So I square is minus 1. This is 16 minus multiply by minus 1 multiplied by 34 must be equal to 50. Then minus times minus 1, that is plus 1, times 34, that is plus 34. Then 60 plus 34, here we have 50 is equal to 50, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.